I'm supposed to get down over there. Fuck.
Well, Dustin, you got further than we did.
Let's say. Sit down and switch around. Because. Hard to get to the damn ladder. Nice. Huh?
That ballsy motherfucker.
Alright, what's the combination? 12, 34, 4.
That ballsy son of a bitch.
Huh? It's fucking sketchy up here. Jesus Christ.
No.
12 what?
34-4.
You go twice? 12, 34.
And then you go back to 34.
Please tell me someone has a pen.
No.
12, 34 what?
12, 34, 4.
I don't have a pin.
There might be a pen in the cache.
There better be. I'm staying here. Got it.
Please don't make the wrong move.
Oh my god, I did it. Not done yet though.
Yeah, you still gotta get back up.
An air horn.